To play CS2 on mobile. First, download GeForce Now. I just recently downloaded it, so and first you wanna especially you have a account or you have account to sign in. So in this to play Counter Strike. So guys, I just recently quit it. So in this guys, you have a you have like Steam account. So just recently it. So just joke, bro. I not never in that. And this, as you can see, I have gamer side of Putin. Show you to do it. First, go to games. Go to game settings. You can see gameplay. I just choose Northern California to play. Is that it? I need to play out.